AutoSAR. AutoSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Components. Kinds of components, overview. We already saw a reduced class diagram of the software components. Now we will go into more detail. We start again with the abstract class software component type. Software component type is the base class to three subclasses: atomic, parameter, and composition. The class atomic software component type has 7 subclasses: application, ECU abstraction, non-volatile block, sensor actuator, complex device driver, service proxy, and service. On the next slide you will learn detailed information about these classes. The class composition software component type composites elements of the class software component prototype. The class software component prototype is of type software component type. If you want to learn more about AutoSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.